Hey, what's up guys, Nick here back again with some fresh Apple news that you don't want to miss. So, Apple has officially confirmed it, the big event is happening on September 9th. And yeah, this is where we'll be seeing the brand new iPhone 17 lineup along with the latest iOS 26 updates. Super exciting stuff. Now, here's what we know so far. Right now, iOS 26 is at Beta 5 and the RC version should roll out right after the event. That's basically the final build before the public release. To get the iOS 26 RC version, you first need to join the Apple Beta software program. If you haven't yet, here's how. Go to the Apple developer website, scroll down to find the latest iOS, then tap the top left corner and select Account. Log in with your Apple ID, and the first time you log in, you'll see an agreement, just accept it, and your device will be registered for the iOS beta. After that, head to Settings, Software Update on your iPhone, and you'll find the iOS 26 RC version ready to install. And if Apple sticks to the usual timeline, the official version should drop around September 16th. Personally, I think this release is going to feel a lot smoother than the early betas, fewer bugs, more polish. Compared to iOS 18, iOS 26 gives you a cleaner, smoother interface, smarter AI, richer communication and wallet features, support for more devices, and a fresh liquid glass UI. And honestly, I'm excited to see how stable it runs on older iPhones too. However, not every iPhone will be able to run iOS 26. Unlike last year, 3 models from 2018 are dropping off the list: iPhone XR, iPhone XS, and iPhone XS Max. Some older models can't update either, like the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, and anything older than the first-gen iPhone SE, they're not on the support list. If your iPhone was released in 2019 or later, you're good to go. That includes iPhone SE 2nd Gen, the iPhone 11 series, iPhone 12 series, iPhone 13 series, iPhone 14 series, iPhone 15 series, and of course the iPhone 16 lineup. If you're worried about iOS 26 getting laggy or the update process being too complicated, you can just use ReiBoot. With ReiBoot, you can update, downgrade, or even repair iOS without button combos or errors. It also lets you back up and restore your data, which makes upgrading to iOS 26 or moving to iPhone 17 way safer and easier. I'll drop the link in the description, go check it out. So yeah, exciting weeks ahead. iOS 26 official release, iPhone 17 launch, and a bunch of new features coming our way. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.